Article 250.148 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, prohibits the use of stranded wire wrapped directly around a ground screw. The NEC mandates that grounded conductor should not be connected to the grounding terminal or equipment grounding conductor by means of wire splicing. This effectively prohibits wrapping stranded wire around a ground screw because this method constitutes an unapproved splice. The preferred method for connecting stranded wire to a ground screw involves using a wire connector. Acceptable wire connectors include crimp-on connectors or StayCons. StayCons represent a specialized type of connector designed and UL listed specifically for use with stranded wire. These connectors are manufactured using corrosion-resistant materials and incorporate a set screw mechanism to securely hold the wire in place. To properly use a StayCon, the first step is to strip the insulation from the end of the stranded wire. Next, insert the exposed wire into the StayCon connector. After the wire is inserted, tighten the set screw to ensure the wire is firmly secured within the connector. Finally, connect the StayCon, now holding the wire, to the ground screw. Using a StayCon provides a secure and reliable connection of the stranded wire to the ground screw, preventing the connection from loosening over time. The code is designed to ensure electrical safety and prevent potential hazards arising from improper grounding connections. Using approved connectors, like StayCons, ensures that grounding connections are mechanically and electrically sound, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the grounding system and protecting against electrical faults. The NEC prioritizes secure and reliable connections within electrical systems, and this requirement for ground screw connections aligns with that objective. Improper connections can lead to increased resistance, potential arcing, and failure of the grounding system, which can have serious consequences in the event of an electrical fault. The code aims to minimize these risks by specifying approved methods and materials for making grounding connections. Firstly, always consult the latest edition of the NEC for the most up-to-date requirements. Secondly, ensure that any connectors used are UL listed and approved for the specific application. Thirdly, thoroughly inspect all grounding connections to confirm they are secure and free from corrosion or damage. Fourthly, when stripping insulation from wires, avoid nicking or damaging the conductor. Damaged conductors can compromise the integrity of the connection. Fifthly, when tightening set screws, use the correct torque specified by the manufacturer. Over-tightening or under-tightening can both lead to connection failures. Sixthly, regularly inspect and maintain grounding connections to ensure they remain in good condition. Corrosion, vibration, and other factors can degrade connections over time. Seventhly, if any doubt exists regarding the proper way to make a grounding connection, consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector. They can provide guidance and ensure that the work complies with all applicable codes and standards. StayCons are designed to maintain a secure and reliable connection, even under vibration and stress. Crimp connectors, when properly installed with the correct crimping tool, create a gas-tight seal that protects the connection from corrosion. Understanding the requirements outlined in the NEC and adhering to best practices for making grounding connections is essential for electrical safety. It helps to protect people and property from the hazards of electrical shock and fire.